How to log in Telegram with QR code on PC or laptop. So if you want to log in Telegram with QR code on your PC or laptop, then first you just need to open up your Telegram application. So go for the Telegram desktop application and here click on Start Messaging. And here you will have the scanner, right? So what you need to do is you just need to take your mobile device. Once you're here on the mobile device, you just need to go and search for Telegram. Once you're here on the Telegram, open up the Telegram and go for the upper left, which has that three-bar icon. Tap on Settings. Under Settings, you need to scroll down and here you need to go for Devices. Under Devices, tap on Link Desktop Device and here you will have the scanner, right? It will scan the QR on your device or on your PC or laptop and you will have your Telegram on your laptop. So that's how you can log in Telegram with QR code on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.